Hey guys, it's Tyler Flippin Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin Hippos. Today we're going to do a haul video. Keith and I went to two Goodwills over the weekend on Sunday. It was 99-cent day. We spent around $164 and we came home with maybe 145 to 150 items. We didn't pay 99 cents for everything we got. We did pay up for some things that we found. So I have a stack here of like the highlights that I want to show you that we found, and some bolos and stuff for you guys. So green was 99 cents and yellow was half off. You can see this one is green, so we paid 99 cents for it. Tasso Alba, it's not the best brand, but this is a linen blend. It is 55% linen, and so for 99 cents, a nice button front linen shirt, even if it's not 100%, even if it's just a linen blend, definitely worth it. This one's green also, so you can see that it was 99 cents. This is Brooks Brothers. It's 100% cotton, made in the USA. It's a good size. I think it's extra large. It's large, but it looks pretty big. But it's just a men's pullover red sweater since we're getting into the fall and the winter. This would also be like a sweater I think someone would buy for a holiday party or an office holiday party. It's just a nice, cheery, bright red color. This one was also 99 cents, if you can see that it's green. And I've never even heard of this brand. It's called Brandini. The reason I picked this one up, look at this. You see that? It's 55% silk and 45% cashmere. So for 99 cents, I don't care what brand it is. If it is cashmere and silk blend, I am picking it up. It is just a nice extra large men's blue pullover polo style sweater. This one was also 99 cents, and it is Dragonfly. I can read. Dragonfly. I think Keith has picked these up before in the past, this brand. You guys know, you've heard this before. It's not always about brand. Sometimes it's about style. So for 99 cents, this is a extra large button front shirt. Look at these graphics. It's just a nice shirt with good graphics on it for 99 cents. Sure thing. This one is, again, a brand we've never even heard of. But for 99 cents, we decided that we wanted to try it. It is not Pearl Snap, but it's kind of got a western cut and look to it. And it's got really super nice graphics. These little crosses, they look like they're added on later, so there's some like distressing, there's rhinestones, there's a lot going on. It's got stuff on the sleeve, looks like chevrons. You see that? So yeah, this is just a really awesome shirt. It's got a lot of embellishments to it and a lot of graphics. This thing is ugly. It was 99 cents. You can see it's green. It is like a Hawaiian style button front men's shirt, but it's got the Baltimore Orioles on it, and it has their little mascot wearing his little baseball cap. It's bright orange. It's got hibiscus flowers. It's got leaves. It's just it's hideous, but hideous sells, y'all. And somebody somewhere likes the Baltimore Orioles and would love to have a Hawaiian style bright orange button-up shirt. These are not meant to be on the chair, so we'll just toss them over there. No one saw that. So those of you that had watched on my live show on Sunday with Megan may have already seen this one. So I apologize if you've already seen this. It's a sweater on the back, and on the front it is suede. It is a full zip vest, and if my lighting will cooperate and my depth perception, it is 100% leather. So the suede is 100% leather. It's Chico's, which is a pretty good brand. For me, it moves well. And it was yellow, so we paid $3.50 for this. But for something that's 100% leather, I'm willing to pay the $3.50. These were just 99 cents. They're Lane Bryant. These are just like Lane Bryant is a really, really decent plus size bread and butter brand for me. I do really well with this brand. It has a following. It is plus size, which is always a good thing. And when I could pick it up for 99 cents all day long. This one is cool. It had some embellishments on that front pocket there. And the back pockets are really nice also. Plus they're black. And black can be a slimming color. So sometimes in the plus sizes, the black jeans do well. Actually, I think black jeans do well anyway, but yeah, Lane Bryant is definitely a bread and butter for me. And so I pick it up whenever I can find it. This was 99 cents. This is Chico's. Now, I usually do really well with the Chico's So Slimming jeans and pants. These are just the Chico's Platinum Denim, but I still pick them up because look at these pockets. For 99 cents, I'm going to buy a pair of jeans that has this nice of embellishments on the pockets, the bling bling, and the front button is like a little shiny bauble as well. So I got those. These were also 99 cents. These are Guess. And believe it or not, Guess jeans, bread and butter, for me anyway. I only pick them up if I find them for 99 cents though. I won't pay much more than that. These are their Power Skinny jeans, but check out the print. Like, for 99 cents, how could I pass that up? It is black and gray leopard print. The back of the jeans has some bling bling going on. Always a little fancy. So yeah, I pick up Guess jeans all the time anyway for 99 cents because they are one of my bread and butters. But when they have a really awesome animal print like that, to me, it's a no-brainer. So these next two pairs, again, if you watched the live show, you already saw these, so I apologize, if this is your second viewing for these two. I paid $7 for these, and you'll soon see why. They're silver jeans. These are my favorite jeans to flip. You guys know that. I pay $7 for these all day long. These are nice. They have the contrast stitching all the way down. They have the stress on the pockets, which always helps jeans sell. Anything like contrast stitching, bling, embellishments, distress, holes, destroyed. So these are True Religion, and these are super awesome. Look at that. They lace up in the front with a rawhide string, and they got some distress on their front there, and they have the button pockets, and the bottoms are super wide leg. Like, these are bell bottoms. These aren't even flare. These are definitely bell bottom, wide leg, and they taper up real thin into the waist. So they're like that 70s style of pants that's coming back in fashion. So I did pay $7 for these as well, but it had all this going for it. It's True Religion. It's got this fancy little lace up part in the front. The size is a little on the smaller side, but that's okay. It has distress, the flare leg, so I definitely would pay $7 for those. And I took a chance this weekend and I did a thing. So if you watched my What Sold video last night, I sold a pair of Democracy jeans for $40. And I said that when I comped them, they mostly go for 20 and 25, some go for 30, and I saw a couple pairs that had sold for 40, so I decided to list mine at 40 to see what would happen. A couple hours after I listed them, I got a best offer of 20, and the lady said, you can buy these new in the store for 30. I hope you consider my offer. I countered her at 36 and just said, I keep my prices competitive with other eBay sellers. She, of course, declined me, and then overnight they sold full price. So I sold a pair of Democracy jeans for $40. So I'm going to see if I can do it again. I took a $7 chance here, folks. to see if I can flip these democracies for 40 bucks. These are the exact same pair I've already flipped. They are exactly the same. They are size 12. They have the app technology, the built-in waistband that helps your stomach look slimmer. The other pair was size 12 and had the app technology. It was the same color wash, this medium wash. This is the exact same pair. So I decided I was going to risk 7 bucks and see if I can't flip them for 40 again. If they go on eBay for 40 minus fees is 34, and then I paid 7, so that's 27 minus the padded flat. I would make a $20 profit. If they flipped on Posh for 40, I would make 32 minus fees, and then my cost 25. So I would make $20 on these on eBay or $25 on these on Posh, even paying 7 bucks, if I can work my magic and flip them for $40 again. I don't know if my first pair sold at 40 is a fluke. I don't know if you can really get that for them consistently on a regular basis. Like I said, I saw a couple pairs in the comps and the solds when I comped them, which is why I chose to list mine so high. So I don't know if it was a fluke or if it's something that I could do again, but we're gonna see. I'm willing to risk the money because if they do, then I make, you know, 20 or 25 depending on which platform they sell on. I have one last thing to show you today. I did only pick out a small stack out of everything we bought because I didn't want to have a really super long video or keep you guys too long. I don't even know what to say. The full story will be out later in the week in my video about the challenge of getting out of your comfort zone. But I did source shoes. Are y'all proud? They're Echo, they're brown, they're loafers, and y'all, I only paid 99 cents for them. Because they're green. Can you see that they're green? Can you kind of see that they're green? They're green. I paid 99 cents. So yes, I sourced shoes. These are shoes. These are used shoes that I sourced from Goodwill. Alright, you guys, let me know down in the comments below what you found when you were outsourcing. Did you find anything fantastic? Did you find any of your favorite brands? Do me a favor, smash that like button down below if you would. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.